In this simulation, we will explain the greenhouse effect. Whenever we burn a fossil fuel, we are producing more carbon dioxide. Scientists blame the increasing amounts of carbon dioxide in the air for the global warming that is causing us great concern at present. The question is, how does carbon dioxide make the Earth warm up? The Earth is heated by the sun. So these are the solar radiation from the sun which will heat the Earth. Then, at night, the stored heat energy will be radiated back into space as infrared radiation or thermal radiation, and thus the Earth will cool again. So these are infrared radiation which are emitted back into space. Fortunately, some of this radiation will be absorbed by greenhouse gases, and without them, the Earth would be about 30 degrees Celsius colder than it is. So in other words, life will be impossible on Earth. However, the problem is that increasing the amount of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere by burning fossil fuels means less heat can escape, and this will cause global warming. So the temperature of the Earth will be increasing as well. So the sun will emit radiation to heat the Earth, and then at night, the Earth will emit back infrared radiation into space, and the Earth will cool down. Due to the presence of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere, some of the radiation will be absorbed, and this radiation will keep the Earth warm enough for us to have life on Earth, because without greenhouse gases, the temperature of the Earth would be about 30 degrees Celsius colder than it is now. Okay, so where is the problem? The problem is that increasing the amount of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere by burning fossil fuels means less heat can escape and causing global warming. So the temperature of the Earth will rise, and the increase in the temperature of the Earth is a risk that we should take some actions to be aware of. So some of the energy is said to be trapped in the atmosphere, and thus the temperature rises. Actually, there are also other greenhouse gases such as methane, and they absorb energy in the same way.